The future is no longer a distant horizon. It is unfolding before our very eyes, driven by forces of unprecedented power, artificial intelligence and automation. These technologies, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are rapidly transforming our world, reshaping industries, redefining work, and challenging our very understanding of what it means to be human. We stand at the cusp of a new era, an era defined by the extraordinary capabilities of machines that can learn, adapt, and even surpass human intelligence in certain domains. The pace of change is dizzying, and the implications are profound. As we venture into this uncharted territory, it is imperative that we proceed with both excitement and caution. We must embrace the immense potential of these technologies, while remaining mindful of the challenges they pose. Our future hinges on our ability to harness the power of AI and automation for the betterment of humanity. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, understanding complex concepts, and making decisions. Imagine a computer program that can diagnose diseases with an accuracy rivaling the most skilled doctors, or a self-driving car that navigates busy city streets with ease. This is the power of AI. Automation, on the other hand, focuses on the use of machines to perform tasks automatically, often replacing human labor. Think of factory robots assembling cars with precision and speed, or software programs handling customer service inquiries. Automation streamlines processes, increases efficiency, and frees humans from repetitive or dangerous tasks. Together, AI and automation form a potent force, driving innovation across industries. From healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and education, these technologies are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. But as with any transformative technology, it is crucial that we understand both the opportunities and the challenges they present. The potential benefits of AI and automation are vast and far-reaching. In healthcare, AI algorithms are being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, and personalize treatment plans. This promises to revolutionize healthcare delivery, making it more effective, accessible, and affordable for everyone. In transportation, self-driving cars are poised to transform the way we commute, reducing accidents, easing congestion, and providing mobility to those who cannot drive themselves. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a distant memory, and commutes are transformed into opportunities to work, relax, or connect with loved ones. Beyond these specific examples, AI and automation have the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. From climate change to poverty and hunger, these technologies can help us find innovative solutions to challenges that have long plagued humanity. By automating tasks and optimizing processes, we can free up human potential to focus on creativity, innovation, and the pursuit of knowledge. The future holds immense promise, but realizing this promise requires careful consideration of the challenges that lie ahead. Section 4. Navigating the Crossroads, Challenges on the Horizon. As we embrace the transformative power of AI and automation, we must also acknowledge and address the challenges they present. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for job displacement. As machines become increasingly sophisticated, they are capable of performing tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans. This shift in the labor market could lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest, if not managed carefully. It is imperative that we invest in education and retraining programs to prepare workers for the jobs of the future and ensure that the benefits of these technologies are shared equitably across society. Another critical challenge is the ethical dimension of AI. As we delegate more decision-making power to machines, we must ensure that these machines are aligned with our values and operate in a fair, transparent, and accountable manner. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI, addressing issues such as bias, privacy, and the potential for misuse. The future we create will be shaped by the choices we make today. It is our responsibility to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically, for the benefit of all humankind. Section 5. Shaping Our Destiny, a Call for Collective Wisdom. The rise of AI and automation represents a pivotal moment in human history. We are on the verge of a technological revolution that has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. The future is not predetermined, it is up to us to shape it. This requires a collective effort, a global conversation about the values we want to embed in these technologies, and the future we want to create. We need to foster collaboration between governments, industry leaders, researchers, and citizens to ensure that AI and automation are developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. Education will play a crucial role in this endeavor. We need to equip future generations with the skills and knowledge they will need to thrive in a world increasingly shaped by AI and automation. This includes not only technical skills but also critical thinking, creativity, and the ability to adapt to rapid change. The future is not something that happens to us, it is something we create together. Let us proceed with wisdom, foresight, and a shared commitment to harnessing the power of these technologies for the betterment of humanity. Section 6. A future written by us. An open question for humanity. As we stand at this crossroads of history, a fundamental question confronts us. What kind of future do we want to create? Will it be a future where AI and automation amplify human potential, leading to unprecedented prosperity, progress, and well-being for all? Or will it be a future marked by inequality, social unrest, and the erosion of human values? The answer lies in our hands. The choices we make today will determine the course of history for generations to come. It is a responsibility we cannot shirk. Let us embrace the challenges and opportunities of this new era with courage, wisdom, and a steadfast commitment to shaping a future worthy of our shared humanity. What role will you play in writing the next chapter of our story?